Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super exciting topic for all you Xbox Series S owners out there. The title says it all. How to turn on 120 FPS on Xbox Series S in 2025. If you're tired of choppy gameplay and want that silky smooth experience, this guide is for you. First off, let's talk about why 120 FPS matters. It makes your games feel more responsive and immersive, especially in fast-paced titles like shooters or racing games. But before we jump in, make sure your setup is ready. You'll need a TV or monitor that supports 120 Hz refresh rates, and your HDMI cable should be high-speed to handle the bandwidth. Alright, let's get to the steps. Start by turning on your Xbox Series S and navigating to the home screen. Use your controller to go to the Settings gear icon, usually found on the left side. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and select General. From there, choose TV and Display Options or Display and Sound, depending on the latest update in 2025. Now, look for the Refresh Rate setting. This is key. Select it, and you'll see options like 60 Hz or 120 Hz. Go ahead and switch to 120 Hz. But wait, that's not all. Some games might need additional tweaks. Head back to the game's settings or the Xbox menu to enable features like Variable Refresh Rate, VRR, if your display supports it. Remember, not every game on the Series S will run at 120 FPS, so check the game's details on Xbox Game Pass or the store for compatibility. If you run into issues, like the option not showing up, try updating your console's software. Go to Settings, System, Updates, and install any available patches. Also, ensure your HDMI cable is properly connected and that your TV is set to the correct input mode. Once everything's set, fire up a compatible game and enjoy the difference. There you have it, folks, a quick and easy way to unlock 120 FPS on your Xbox Series S. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more gaming tips. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy gaming!